guys, Jeremy and Darcy here with Into the Sticks. We're gonna bring into you today the Countryside XL Rooftop tent. This tent's been on my truck for quite some time. I've had quite a few adventures, and I want to show you guys the process of getting it open and getting it set up. First thing you want to do when you get to your campsite is make sure that your truck's pretty level. That way it's sitting on a nice good ground. You're gonna jump up on top, unlock these latches, give your tent just a little push. Got a nice bungee cord here. It holds everything in tight. You're gonna take that down, run it right into these grooves here, get it out of your way. I'm gonna take this strap. This strap here is for shutting it down later. So for the purpose now, we're just gonna throw it over top. Gonna grab your ladder. This is the best part. Pulls right out. You don't have to be super strong. You can just make that work. Now, the thing with this one is that ladder holds up this tent. So you got to make sure that it's locked in good and tight, all the rungs, one at a time on your way up. And that's how you make sure that this side of your tent is level. We've got some neat options here that come around. But first, I think what we'll do is we'll put in the hooks and we'll open up the awnings on all three sides. So there's lots of ways. You can do it from inside of this. You can do it from outside. I like to do the back from here because I find it easy. You're just going to ring that in, and if you look over on this side, you'll see there's a nice little hole in between the two canvases. Stick that in, put it like that. Grab your next one, find your hole, put it in, repeat that. We got 6 of these in total, each for all the awnings. For this purpose, I got the window open so you can see inside. Really, at this point, that part is waterproof. You could zip it up if you wanted. For the front of the truck, it's often easier if you just go into the tent and do it. I find sometimes if you're trying to do it from the outside and reaching over, it's not always super easy. Really is up to you. One of the other nice options of this tent is it comes with shoe bags. I think they're right up in there, Dart.
They are.
These shoe bags are really cool. So all you do is there's a track right over here. You slide those into the track. They're gonna hang right next to your ladder so that when you're getting in and out, you can take your shoes off and you don't have to bring everything in. Also, water cover for your ladder, so at night, you stick that over your ladder. Don't let that condensation get in there. That way it keeps everything nice and dry. Other little tip here is there's this hook right here and a screw on the bottom. You pull that over, put it on, and then it stops your shoe bag from coming out just in case the wind picks up. So now we're gonna go on in. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put that out of my way when I come up. So what I like to do is when I'm in here, I just pop my shoes off because there's nothing worse than dirt and mud inside your tent. Open up my bag, throw them in. Now I can finish setting up this other front side. Crawl in. You can do this from the outside. I just find it a bit harder. So I like to do it this way. Okay, we're set up ready for rain. Got to get out again. Come on over, hang your feet over the edge, stick your shoes back on. No wet feet, no dirty tent. Okay guys, we got the adjustable ladder here that come with all our tents at Into the Sticks. You're gonna run it all the way down to the ground, get it pretty close to level. Step on that bottom rung. Start from your lowest ladder. There's 2 buttons, one on the left, one on the right. Push it up till it locks. Now do the next one till it locks. All the way up, one at a time, making sure they're there. And last but not least, that one. Get it nice and level again. You can see that this side is good, fully supported. Climb on into the tent, good to go.